Hi, Toady, we are going to record our screen with VLC Media Player. Without wasting time, let's start the VLC Media Player. Go to the Media option and click on the Convert option. You can also use the short key, which is Ctrl+R. Go to the capture device and select the desktop mode to record your screen. Give the frame per second value here. I am giving 60 for the best results. Select the video resolution. Then give the destination file where you want to save your recorded video. Select location, give name and click on Save. Now click on the Start button to start recording. Video is on record now. While you are recording video, you can pause the video and resume it. When you finish, click on Stop button to end the recording. Now go to the destination file to see our recorded video. Click to open. You can see our recording results are high quality. This is the best way to record your screen without using any software. I hope you like it. Click on subscribe button to show you love and support. Thank you.